Let's take a look at navigating the course on Blackboard. So this is a screenshot of the home page. So if we look at the first thing we'll go over is if you look at the course content link over here. If you click on that, you'll see this right here. You'll see Unit 1 and 2. So I'll open up more as time progresses. And so if you look at Unit 1 and 2, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link. And when you do that, it's going to bring you to the contents of that folder, which is Unit 1 folder, which will look like this. And if you look, you'll see that I included a couple of different kinds of assignments. There's a couple kinds of different links to different materials for the class. The first one is the Unit 1 notes. So if you click on this right here, that link, that will bring you, open up PDF that has the notes. The second thing you'll see is the review questions. So if you click on this link right here, that will open up the questions for Unit 1. And it's a PDF. You can write the answers write the answers for the questions. And then when you're done, you can do a screenshot. You can save it as a PDF. You actually can save it as a PDF with if you have an iPhone. It's very easy to do. And then when you're done, you want to actually submit it, and they're worth 15 points apiece. So for each one of them, this one's worth 15 points. Some of them may vary, but when you're done, save it to your drive, your computer or iPhone or whatever device you're using, and you're going to click on Browse Local Files, and you can attach it. And when you attach it, you can hit Submit, and hit Submit. And when you do that, that will actually attach it to your gradebook for that assignment. All right. Now, some of the other things you'll see is the laboratory book, which I think that's a second thing that's important. Actually, let me go back before we look at that. You'll also see the quizzes. So each one of the units has a quiz. So if you click on this link, this right here, that will open up the quiz, and you can take the quizzes as many times as you want. And the highest grade is the one that's taken. And I did that because it's a tool for learning. That's how I look at it. Also, I should have said this too, is that I put a couple for Unit 1. I put a couple of attachments. These are 2 PDFs. The first one is talking about changes of the states of matter, and the second one is examples of physical and chemical properties. Those are not assignments. Those are the attachments that are meant to help you understand those topics. So let's go take a look at the lab book. So first of all, when you go on the home page, if you click on this link right here, laboratory book, when you'll click on that link, you're going to get this page, and this is going to open up. You can open up this PDF file, which is the laboratory book, and you have to print them up. The labs to print them up to bring them into class to use them. So I'm not going to provide that. So you're going to work on the lab when you bring it to the to class, and when you're done with it, you can submit it. And again, you want to do so you can take a picture of it. You can copy it as a PDF, save it to your drive of your computer or other device, and then you're going to submit it. So when you link on the, when you go to the laboratory submittal link, so that's this one right here, laboratory submittal link. When you click on that, what you're going to see next is this. And this is very similar to the others, how you would submit the other assignments. So for the first laboratory that you're doing, for instance, you will see this as the first laboratory submittal. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this, which is a link, and when you do that, that will bring you to a page where you actually can submit your lab, which is going to look like this. It tells you the point value over here. And then what you do is you can browse your local computer. So browse your local file. And you're going to attach it. After you attach it, then you're going to submit it. And it's going to do the same thing as the other assignments. It's actually going to attach it to your, the grade. If you look in your grade book, you actually, the assignment's attached to that. Okay, I hope that helps with understanding how the web page, the Blackboard page is set up. And if you have any questions on it, ask me. The best in class is the easiest way to do it. So I want to make sure that everybody understands it. Now, some of the things I should mention before I finish is when I make announcements, they'll show up here. And then the read me first, that's where the syllabus and schedule is found. Okay? All right, thank you, and enjoy the rest of the day.